With engineers retiring at a dramatic rate, process-controlled training classes that prepare the next generation of process control experts are more important than ever. In most cases, today's training workshops consist of dated materials presented by instructors who either have no field experience or have been on the sidelines for years. Such classes represent the status quo, and they typically fail at equipping engineers with the knowledge and intuition that's needed in real-world practice. Control Station applies a different approach to process control training, and as a result, our techniques for applied process control workshops stand apart. Workshops are taught using Control Station's hear, see, do methodology. Attendees begin by hearing traditional lectures before seeing relevant demonstrations of the core topics. Finally, attendees participate in hands-on exercises that allow them to fully engage with each topic. The workshop curriculum covers a lot more than just the basics. Students start with a refresher on process dynamics. Over the course of 2 days, they methodically work their way up to advanced process control techniques, such as feed-forward and cascade control. Our renowned instructors have been recognized repeatedly for their contributions to the process control industry, as well as for their ability to engage diverse audiences. Each is active in the industry and brings up-to-date best practices and trends to the workshops they lead. Over the years, thousands of engineers and technicians from across the process industries have participated in Control Station's workshops, from novices to experts, from large to small plants, from oil and gas to food and beverage. 90% of all participants have rated our workshops as delivering superior value. Learning how to optimize your plant's PIDs shouldn't be difficult. If you're looking for a proven, systematic approach for modeling and tuning PID controllers, then the Techniques for Applied Process Control workshop is the answer. Don't settle for the status quo. Optimize with Control Station.